Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I used to say, we are taking this business of agriculture to the next level. Here I am in Ogun State. We want to start a 5,000 capacity poultry farm here in Ogun State, Nigeria, and today we are about to begin the foundation of this place. We are going to be monitoring this, and I'm going to be showing you how this building goes from beginning to the end. Like I said, it's going to be a 5,000 capacity poultry pen, and we are going to be having a storehouse for feed and a egg storeroom also, and it's going to be at the entrance of the poultry. The design of this pen is entirely different. I'm going to be showing you a scenes of food. The pen is going to be sitting on a 200 by 35 feet, 200 in length, and the width will be 35 feet. It's going to be a massive one. Today we are going to start digging the foundation of this farm, so follow me as we go on this journey. If you want to start any type of poultry farm or fish farm or pig farm, whatever type of agricultural business, then you can reach me by sending me an email. Email is showing on the screen, or send me a message on my WhatsApp. Phone number on the screen and also in the description box. If you're ready, let's go start this farm.
Bart, who are you? Whether to stop or to start, but if this ain't it, why is it so hard to forget how it felt? And if this ain't it, why is it so easy to believe the lies I tell myself? Been trying, and I've been relying on anyone. Getting closer every day, or maybe just further away. I could never seem to tell. So just get in the car, we'll drive fast and far. I'm sure your sister will never tell.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is Sunday, June the 12th, 2022. We are on site for the poultry farm, and like I said, we are going to be doing a 5,000 capacity poultry farm here in Ogun State, Nigeria. They finished digging the trenches, the foundation, so they are going to start laying blocks. Today the size of the pen will be 200 by 35 feet in length and breadth of the pen. Part of the 200 feet by 35 feet, we have the egg storeroom, likewise the feed storeroom. It's going to be a different settings entirely from the way you used to see normal poultry pen. Today we are going to start setting the blocks for the pen. One is already on ground to start that process. I'm walking through the trenches, the foundation that has been dug now. and if you can see, things are going according to plan. It's going to be a long one. The pen is sitting on 2 plots of land. There are still other structures that will be on this land. The entire land of this farm is 2 acres, so it's a massive one. We are still going to do other project here, but first is a 5,000 capacity poultry farm. So this place is going to be the feed storehouse. It's a 14 by 14 feet room and also the egg room there. So other side of it, we have a place where the staff will be staying. Another thing, we are going to be digging because of the land cannot dig a borehole. Yeah, the area is a very rocky area. So if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you don't miss anything. Keep on watching and let's begin. Agriculture, like I always say, is the future.
So hard to forget how it felt. And say it, why is it so easy to believe the lies I tell myself? Are they even lies? Tell me why it still hurts when I see your face. Oh, if this ain't it, just pretend that it is, 'cause I'm so sick of standing still. Standing still. Focus. I'm a little bit scared of driving
are done laying the bed for the foundation for 3.5 sides, the 35 feet at the entrance, then 200 feet by the left hand side of the pen. Now it's time to lay the first block of the foundation, and that is what is going on presently. Started laying from the very beginning down to the head. Some people are laying it from the bottom, like the end of the pen will meet at the center. The remaining half of all the pen will be completed tomorrow Monday. Some part of the team will be laying the bed of the foundation, while the others will continue the foundation, like setting of the blocks of the foundation. Agriculture is very sweet, and if you have not joined the train of people into agriculture, whether poultry, catfish, pig, even if it's crop plantation, then you should join the train and don't be left out before it's too late. Agriculture, like I always say, is the future. Here is what is going on still in Ogun State, setting up a 5,000 capacity poultry pen.
You told me awful things could happen under the watch of Mercury. Wish I could go home where all my clothes were hand-me-downs, walking round streets paved with gold. Still all my clothes are hand-me-downs, warming me through midnight. I could go warming me through midnight. Clothes are hand-me-downs.
Work is done today, and these are the faults, the foundation block, one coach each for 3.5 sides. So we'll continue here tomorrow. The other half, to complete the foundation, they will lay the bed for this tomorrow. Then everything starts going up.